Hey, it's me again. Trying to share some hints, as you know, and read what the IT, which is the instructor text, has for you. Something important in your class is multimedia. I mean, some interactive activities. In this case, well, what you need is what you have for your students as training aids. That is a computer, a program, and there's especially in the ALC, the American Language course, you can find some very interesting multimedia devices. In this case, a program is interactive. They can talk. Yeah, I mean, they cannot talk. They can just interact with the computer. And it's very interesting. So let's begin. Let's begin with this topic. Let's see something about interactive multimedia instruction. As you may know, the ALC instructional package can be supplemented by interactive multimedia instruction courseware. Each IMI disk, remember that IMI means interactive multimedia instruction, okay? So each IMI disk corresponds to a specific ALC student text and has been produced in order to enhance the teaching of the language skills and training objectives in the book. IMI provides an interactive medium in which students can participate in a variety of activities presented with audio, text, graphics, animations, and video. The interactive environment allows students to learn at their own pace while mastering the instructional objectives. Its format enables students to learn and review material in a non-threatening environment. This is very important. Non-threatening environment. Why? Usually students are shy, but with these programs, they will be open. In this case, see if you can get the interactive material, it will be useful to prevent boredom in your students. Variety gives color to your class. Do your best for your students. They will appreciate it. And see you soon.